Hey friends, welcome back. If you've just landed here for the first time, I'm glad you joined. I usually keep these shorts simple and straight to the point so you can learn step by step without feeling overwhelmed. Now, as we continue with this model, I want you to remember, don't just copy me. Follow my steps if you want, but also allow yourself to experiment. Try adjusting the proportions, adding new shapes, or testing different styles. That's where creativity really shines. This is just one short, one slice of the full process. On my channel, I've already posted longer tutorials that cover other models in detail. So after this, take a look, you'll definitely find something useful there. And if you've enjoyed watching till now, do me a small favor. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Even a quick "this helped" goes a long way in motivating me to make more.